Good morning, my dear students. Today I will teach polyhedron. Okay, polyhedron, right? Polyhedron, a solid made up of polygonal regions, each called polyhedron. Okay, a solid, see, a solid made up of polygonal regions. Okay, regions each called each called polyhedron. Okay, polyhedron, a solid made up of polygonal regions each called polyhedron. Suppose cube, the figure, look at here. If we draw the figure, this is the cube, this is also okay, polyhedron, regular pyramid. Suppose, see, we draw the figure, this figure, this figure. Okay, this is also pyramid. Suppose A, B, C, D. Okay, this is O, this is P. Okay, so this is also rectangular pyramid. Rectangular pyramid. Okay. These are all polyhedron, a solid made up of polygonal region. Why saying polygonal region? Look at here, my dear students. See, if you draw this one, this part, see, this also region also, no? This also region. And here, see, this also edge, this also edge. Okay, combine this region coming. That's why polygonal region. More than, why poly? More than, so the region consists of more than 3 line segment. Okay, see here 4 line segment. This is also region, this also one region. That's why a solid made up of polygonal regions is called polyhedron. Okay, but keep in mind, cone, right circular cone, this figure is not a polygonal. Okay, this figure, look at here, this is not a polyhedron, not a polyhedron. Okay, this is not a polyhedron. Okay, also cylinder, right circular cylinder, if you draw right circular cylinder, this is not a polyhedron. Okay, this is also not a polyhedron. Now convex polygon, all of you know convex polygon. Yes, convex polygon, a polygon in which each interior angle is less than 180 degree. Okay, each called a convex polygon, a polygon in which each interior angle is less than 180 degree, then it is called convex polygon. Convex polygon. If you draw the figure, look at here. Suppose hexagon, all of you know this is hexagon. So any angle consider. So this is always less than 80 degree angles. Okay. Interior angle is less than 180 degree. Okay. This is convex polygon. Then what is convex polyhedron? What is convex polyhedron? Convex polyhedron are made up of convex polygon are called convex polyhedron. Polyhedrons that are made up of convex polygon are called convex polyhedron. Okay. Cube also convex polyhedron. Cube. Okay. This figure, all of you know this figure also convex polyhedron. Okay. Cube. Okay. Convex polyhedron. So what is convex polyhedron? Convex polyhedron, the polyhedrons that are made up of convex polygon are called convex polyhedron. Okay. Now concave. This is convex and concave. What is concave? Concave polyhedron. Concave polyhedron. If and all of you know concave polygon, a polygon in which at least one interior angle is greater than 180 degree. A polygon in which at least one interior angle is greater than 180 degree is called concave polygon. So polygon which are not convex are called concave polyhedron. Okay. Polygons which are not convex are called concave polyhedron. Now regular polyhedron. What is regular polyhedron? A polyhedron, keep in mind, a polyhedron is said to be regular if all of its faces are regular polygon and the same number of faces meet at each vertex. Suppose if we consider a solid cube, see all faces are regular. Okay, all faces are regular. See, I am showing the figure. See, regular polyhedron. Irregular polyhedron. See, I am showing the figure. Look at here. All of you know what is the name of the figure? Yes, cube. This is a cube. A polyhedron, just discussing regular polyhedron. A polyhedron is said to be regular polyhedron if all of its faces are regular. See, this is also square, regular. All sides are equal and all angles are also equal. Okay. That is why all faces are regular polygon and the same number of faces meets at each vertex. See, this is the vertex, this also vertex, here also vertex, this also vertex. So here two lines intersect here, again two lines intersect here, two sides intersect here. So here the same number of faces meet at each vertex. Okay, similar way like that figure. So this figure is regular polyhedron. Okay. So all of you know, in previous class I have also discussed Euler's formula. So it will be if F plus V equal to E plus 2. E plus 2. Okay. See, look at here. In this figure, how many vertices are there? See, there is vertex is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Vertex, how many vertex? 8. So here V equal to 8. Face, how many faces are there? There are 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 5, that's at 6 also. That is total faces is 6. So F equal to 6. And edge E equal to, see, E equal to 12. 12 edges. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Count it. Total 12 edges. Now, if we apply here F plus V, look at here, F plus V equal to 8 plus 6, 14, and E plus 2 equal to 12 plus 2 equal to 14. So Euler's theorem is verified. Here Euler's theorem is verified. Okay, keep in mind F plus V equal to E plus 2, where F represents, here F represents faces, V represents vertex, E represents edges. Okay, keep in mind. Okay, others, you tetrahedron, hexahedron, and octahedron, everything is given in book. All of you learn. Okay, bye.